Hey guys, hope everyone having a great day today. Unless you are new to the channel, welcome and welcome everybody. Hope everyone having a great day today. All right. So yeah, as you can see from the channel's name is Stock Experts. So as you can see from the channel's name, it is all about. Hey guys, hope everyone having a great day today. Unless you are new to the channel, welcome and welcome everybody. Yeah, so hope you are having a great day today. And as you can see from the channel's name, let me introduce my channel first. And as you can see from the channel's name, it is all about the stock market. So it is stock experts. As you can see, the derived from, like, it is stock, which is obviously means stock market, right? So stock experts, the expertise, the professionals from belongs to the stock market. So this is the meaning of this channel, the name of this channel, which is stock experts. All right. So from the name, as you can see, this channel is all about the stock market. All right. So we cover the stock market of the India and stock market of the United States of America, the New York Stock Market Exchange. All right. So we both these two, especially India, and also the other part, the New York Stock Exchange and the other regions as well. Yeah. So we have a professional team. They work on the stock market and they are the experts. They do work on the stock market like 24/7. They keep an eye on the stock market, on the graphs and what is going on, everything, right? So this is the short introduction of this channel, and please do subscribe the channel. Also please do the comment, please do the likes, and please do share the video as well. It is really important for us from our perspective, from our point of view. It is super important, because the reason is we are doing this free of cost. We are not charging any charges. There's no charges, there's no hidden charges as well. So the only source is the YouTube. So the YouTube still is a new channel, so there is no monetization or anything else. So still we are like, the channel is fresh, new channel, right? So we will need your support so that we can make up to the monetizations and as well, right? So yeah, as you can see, the description, from the description you can read that the information is given there. So it's all about the company, a new company we bring together, and you can see the description. It is all about the new company, and this company is really doing great in the stock market. They are really having a great performance. So every time we bring a new company, and whoever they are working is so good, so well, and also their shareholders, and what is something new in the stock market, we bring everything, something new, news as well. So the link is available in the description, and that is our customer support team. All right, so the link is available. You can contact through the link. Also the QR code in the other slides also available. For the QR code, as you can see in my previous videos on the channel, on the playlist, you can see there are a lot of the QR codes as well, so you can contact them. All right, so if you have any question regarding to the stock market, regarding to the company, regarding to the suggestions, like what do you need to suggest more, right? For example, the company's name, and it's in Hindi, Urdu, or English. Recently we are doing in English, but we also do in Hindi, Urdu. Previously, you can see my previous videos, short videos. There are a lot of videos, there are a lot of reels as well, in Hindi language, also in English. All right, so if you have any suggestion, whether you want to prefer English or Hindi, it's all up to your suggestion, and we will consider your suggestion. All right. So you can go to the playlist and have a look. All right. So the other thing is the QR code I was mentioning, right? And the link of the WhatsApp. That's a professional team. They work 24/7 and they will respond you back within 24/7. If you have any question, you may ask them. They will guide you properly. Like you're new to the stock market, they will give you some assistance also. And you know what? It is free of cost. There is no charges for it. The only purpose is to give you the facilitate you to make you progress in the stock market. And let me be honest, to be honest, nothing is like free. Like there's no charges, of course. But why we are doing this? We are doing this to make our channel like monetize it, right? This is the honest answer. Maybe all the YouTubers, many of the YouTubers, they don't say anything else, but this is the mission. So that because something like stock expert, like our company is doing stock market and we are doing offline everything, we are dealing something, right? So why not we bring it online to the YouTube so that it is beneficial for the other peoples who cannot afford the fees, who can afford the charges. And you know what, they are learning and they don't know they cannot find the right sources, and they don't know the companies, like what kind of company is good for them, what is not good for them, everything. So that is the purpose. We bring everything to you for free. The only thing we want from you is the likes, shares, and subscribers. That's only the thing we need for our YouTube channel. All right. So yeah, so let's talk about, there is a two news I will share, like the weekly chart and the daily chart. I will tell you about this a little bit in detail, and let's get to that one as well, and we will discuss that in detail. So let's get to it. So this is the introduction of the channel and the purpose we were sharing here. All right. So yeah, so as you can see here, so let's talk about this one as well. This is the weekly chart, and let me just drag it somewhere else so that it will be clear for you. All right, let me lag it here. Yeah, this is perfect. I think this is fine. So yeah, let's do it. Weekly chart structure analysis on Qorvo. So Qorvo is a company. So this is the weekly chart we're gonna talk about today. And let me introduce this company first. Let's read out about this company, a short introduction in only 2 lines, so that we understand like what is this company. And about the weekly chart, we're gonna detail, in detail, we're gonna talk about in detail. All right. So this is Qorvo. So Qorvo was registered and established in USA in 2013. The company it is a leading company in the development and commercialization of wireless and wired connection technology and products. So their main product is Wi-Fi, right? Everybody know about the Wi-Fi, right? Wi-Fi connections, wireless, blah blah blah, right? This is their main product, and it's a company as a US company, all right? And they were established in 2013. This is the short introduction of this company. Later on, I will talk about in detail, all right? So this is the weekly chart, which is organized by our company, like elaborate by, conclude by our professionals, our expertise. So they keep an eye 24/7 on the charts, on the graphs, everything. So we bring a weekly chart of this company, and we will try to analyze this. As you can see from the here, A, B, C, B, E, F is given here, right? 1, 2, 3 is also given here, right? This is the graph, this is the red line, I can see. So from the weekly chart perspective, right? So from, as you can see, from 2021 to 2022, this 1 year gap, there have been a 5 wave, A, B, C, D, and E, downward adjustment in the wave theory, right? So compared with the C segment falling, compared to the D segment falling, the MACD has shown a clear bottom deviation and the stock price has rebounded in the first segment, right? As you can see in this graph. And meanwhile, the whole price is above the platform F. Here is the F. This is the F, as you can see, small f. So, which has a strong support. This is the line we have drawn here, which is a strong support. So currently, as you can see, the stock price is in a box platform at just of the second wave, right? So whether to break out the 170 days MA parameter on the weekly chart is very, very crucial. So if it breaks through upwards and there is a large scale three wave rise, right? So this is all about the weekly chart, which is concluded by our professionals, our expertise. So this is, so they keep an eye 24/7 on the charts, so they know really, really well. So this is all about the suggestion. This is our suggestion. If you want to implement, it's all 100% depends on you, ups to you. You want to implement or not. This is just our suggestion. All right, this is just our conclusion from our experience. So this is the weekly chart structure of this company, which is Qorvo company and American company. All right, so there is a QR code also available. Text me on WhatsApp. Also the link also available, the link in the description, as you can see there, the link and the QR code is also available. So if you have any question, you can contact us through the WhatsApp, and there is a customer support team. They're gonna, assist you anything you want to ask, anything. It is free of cost, right? This is 100% free of cost. If you want to ask anything about the stock market, how the weekly charts work, right, about this company or the parameters, what are the parameters, anything you want to ask about it. So this is all about the weekly chart, and they're gonna assist you 100% free of cost. They're gonna give you some guidance as well. And if you have any suggestions, you want to know about the other weekly charts of the other companies as well, or the daily charts or the parameters, candlestick charts, how they work, everything in detail. So you can contact us through the WhatsApp, through the link, or the QR code is available. Also the description, you can read a description in a while, so that you can understand clearly. If you have any question, there is other way, that is the top chat and the comment section, the chat section. All right, so you can also ask us in the chat box. If you have any question, we will respond you within 24/7 hours. All right, so this is all about the weekly chart structure of this company, which is a Qorvo and American company. Yeah, so this was the weekly chart, as you can see here, right? Yeah, so this is the weekly chart structure we have talked about. Hope you like it. So let's get to the other part as well. Yeah, as you can see here, there's a daily chart available as well. So let's talk about the daily chart as well, right? Right now we had a talk about that one, and now we talk about the daily chart. Let me just adjust the screen where I should put. I'm just looking for the adjustment. I think I should put it here, will be fine. So sorry for that. Yeah, let's get to this one as well. Daily chart structure analysis on Qorvo. Qorvo is an American company. Let me introduce a little bit of the company so that we can clearly understand like what we are reading about, why we are doing something on the daily chart of what company, right? So we have the introduction of this company, a short introduction. As you can see here, the Qorvo was registered and established in the USA in 2013. The company is a leading position in the development and commercialization of wireless and wired connection technology and products. So this is an American company, was established in 2013, and their product is the Wi-Fi. In short, I would say it's Wi-Fi, right? So they are doing the Wi-Fi business. All right. So this is the daily chart. Let's have try to figure out this chart. And it is you know what it is, elaborate by conclude by our professionals, our team, which is very professional. Then they work 24/7 on the daily charts. They keep an eye on the graphs and the charts as well, and they are doing great in the stock market. So this is our conclusion. Let's figure out this one as well. At present, as you can see, the overall stock price is above sport, right? So including the sport line for platform H. This is the platform H, right? And this is the blue one is the sport line. So formed by the overlap of 170 days of MA parameter. All right. So platform G, as you can see, is purple. The platform G, which is formed by the overlap of 34 days MA parameter, 170 days MA currently, which is 105.89 USD. All right. And the peak price of 34 days, which is currently 114 USD, right? So if the stock price has fallen, buying points can focus on these sport positions, right? So in short term investors, so this is very beneficial for the short term investors, and you can consider to buy in triple 1 to 115 USD. So this is our suggestion, buying suggestion, which is 111 to 115 USD. All right. So this is all the conclusion we have it about this company. All right. So this is only for the purpose is like this is the conclusion from our experience, which is doing for years, right? So it's all 100% up to you whether you want to implement this suggestion or not. This is all about you, all depends on you. 100% depends on you. Our work is just to give our suggestion based on our experiences and try to give you some profits. All right. So this is the only purpose, and it is all depends on you, belongs to you whether you want to implement this or not. All right. So this was the daily chart structure, and the QR code, as you can see here, is available for the WhatsApp. Also the link also available in the description part, so the link is available as well. All right. So you can contact us through the WhatsApp. Our customer support team will help you out. All right. So whether you have any issues with the parameters, how to read them, how to understand them, also the charts, also the graphs, or any company you want to know about, anything, any question regarding to the stock market, you can contact us, and it is 100% free of cost. There is no hidden charges, anything else. If somebody try to ask you for money, you can comment us, tell us in the videos in the comment section, so that we found out the person, because this is 100% free and we will take an action against that person, right? So this is 100% free of cost. So yeah, this was the daily chart structure of analysis on the Qorvo company. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the company we talked about, and we have talked about the daily chart, also the weekly chart of this company, which is Qorvo company, and later in detail, we will also talk about this company in detail as well, right? So this was our suggestion, right? And hopefully you like this one, and hopefully it is very beneficial for you somehow, the weekly chart as well and the daily chart as well. So I will upload a separate videos for these two as well later on, almost half an hour later, right? So also I will create a short reel of something else in Hindi language, that will be in Hindi language, but the videos will be in English, right? So yeah, there is another suggestion we want from you, and that is, do you want to prefer the Hindi language or English language? You can ask us, you can tell us your suggestion, will be very appreciable and will be very, very important for us, so that you can tell us through the comment section, to the top chat, so that whether you prefer English or whether you prefer Hindi, Urdu, all right? So you can tell us in the comment section as well, all right? So yeah, this is all about the daily chart and the weekly chart we talked about, all right? So this is the company. Today we're gonna talk about the company, as you see from the description already, yeah? So there's a question like potential dark horses in AI chips stocks, right? So you need to buy now. This is our suggestion. We will talk about why you need to buy this. So we talk about this company's progress. Depending on the company's progress, you will find out that why it is important, right? Here you go. Yeah. So from the catalog, as you can see, we gonna talk about number one is the company's profile. Whatever you want to know, first we need to see the roots, right? So we need to see the roots of that company, of that something we are going to talking about, or we are going to implement about, all right? So of course it is really important so that we understand about this company, what is this company, what is their product, and blah blah blah, the whole company profile. It is really important to know, right? So we're going to talk about the company profile as well. Also, number two will be company analysis, right? We will try to analyze this company, figure out this company in detail, right? Number three is the important point, and that is we're gonna try to elaborate, we're gonna try to explain the technical and financial analysis of this company, which is Qorvo company. All right. So we will see from the technical perspective as well from the financial perspective of this company, right? So in the end, as we do always, we will try to summarize this, conclude this in the end to figure out this, is this company beneficial for the investors or not, all right? We will see the achievements of this company, the shareholders of this company, and we will see whether the other analysts, what are they talking about this company. So we will try to figure out everything about this company. So let's get started, all right? So as you can see, the company's profile is over here. So yeah, as you can see from the photograph is, as you can see from the screen, this is the logo of the company, which is Qorvo, right? So this is the logo of the company, and this is one of the company, their branch, one of the branch. And as you can see, this is the company in the United States. I think this is the branch, this is the main branch of the United States, which is Qorvo, right? So let's read out a little bit of this company. Let's find out what is this company about, right? So Qorvo was registered and established in USA in 2013, and the company is in a leading position in the development and commercialization of wireless and wired connection technology and products. So this company combine innovative ratio frequency, right? The solution of it and the highly differentiated semiconductors technology. So for the system level expertise and global manufacturing scale to provide a wide range of products in different customers, making the world more interconnected. This is really good, right? So the Qorvo is headquartered in North Carolina and as well known as the semiconductor company that focuses on providing RF solutions. All right, what is RF? That is the radio frequency solutions. All right, so which is very crucial for the artificial intelligence applications in multiple fields such as telecommunications, automotives, and defense. Yeah, of course, that is really crucial one. So the company is committed to optimizing AI performance by improving the signal processing and communication capabilities. So Qorvo provides innovative ratio RF frequency solutions and applications. All right, and for the technical sport mobiles as well, infrastructures, aerospace, defense applications, etc. So its product range include signal amplifiers, filters, duplexers, and power management equipment, all of which are core company of the wireless communication and advanced radar systems, right? So Qorvo is well known as an innovative company focused on the radio frequency solutions. After years of acquisitions and technological innovation, Qorvo has grown from the RF giant to a transformative force in multiple fields of innovation, right? So Qorvo relies on its strong technological capabilities and ability to capture market trends, providing a variety of technological applications and innovations for the industry and consumers. So delving into multiple application fields such as mobile communication, infrastructure, power management, and the Internet of Things, automotive electronics, also consumer electronics. So this is all about the semiconductors, this is all about the Wi-Fi, this is all about the connection to connect with the world, frequency and all that. They work on this stuff, right? I think this is good, it's impressive actually. So yeah, let's talk about the company analysis, try to analyze this company as well. Yeah, so as you can see, the Qorvo. So Qorvo has the significant advantages in the Wi-Fi 7 field, right? So the Qorvo continues to meet the needs of consumers in the smart home market and promote seamless connectivity between smart home devices, right? So the Qorvo utilizes exciting cutting edge technologies such as Wi-Fi 7, Matter, and ultra wideband, which is UWB. U means ultra, W means wide, and B means band. So ultra wide band to develop interconnected products and devices for smart home automation, secure access, and adaptive experiences, right? So on January 9th, 2024, the Wi-Fi Alliance, an organization that maintains and develops Wi-Fi standards, officially announced that it has completely and launched the certification of Wi-Fi 7 advanced wireless standards, and applicable terminal products can officially obtain Wi-Fi 7 certification. So Wi-Fi certified 7. and use it for sales. Wow, that is really good for the people. Like, you can get this certificate and you are certified, right? You can get the jobs. There are many jobs. If this is a big company, if you are certified with the Wi-Fi 7, you can work for the some company. You can also sell for it, right? So the company's technological innovation has made a significant progress in the field, not only providing a complete wireless front and RF module, FEM, and fiber and filter solution, but also balancing the advantage of lower consumption and a small packaging, which can provide greater space and flexibility for product development, right? So uh, Qorvo has significant advantages in the Wi-Fi 7 field, especially in the face of frequency, band expansion, and technological innovation, demonstrating a unique leading position. All right. So this is the Wi-Fi 7. This is the latest one. Before it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was up to 6. But now the latest one is Wi-Fi 7, and you can also be certified after passing this one. All right. So yeah, you can search about this Wi-Fi 7 on Google, how to get the certificate of it, how to take the exam online, right? It must be online, so that you can get it all over the world, right? So yeah, as you can see from this a kind of photo, tri-band 2.4 gigahertz plus 5.2 gigahertz plus 5.6 gigahertz. So as you can see from here, the tri-band Wi-Fi frequency band, right, for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Okay, so yeah, so the Qorvo has significant advantages in the field of Wi-Fi 7 field, right? So in terms of frequency bands, traditional Wi-Fi is mainly limited to the 2.4G and 5G frequency bands, right? So, however, as you can see, previous one, they was only limited to 2.4 or 5G Wi-Fi's, and the signals not really strong. So that's why they have developed a new technology, which is Wi-Fi 7, and you can be certified, right? So, however, with the continuous progress of technology, the 6G frequency band has now been opened, bringing a qualitative leap through the transformation capacity of Wi-Fi. The transformation not only increased the number of available channels, but also greatly increase the amount of data that can be transmitted, but also significantly enhances the throughput and speed of network Wi-Fi connections. However, it should be noted that the management regulations for wireless frequency bands vary among countries. For example, the United States has fully opened up the frequency band from 5,025 megahertz to 7,125 megahertz, while China's opening policy in this frequency band is still under discussion. This precisely highlights the Qorvo's strong ability to adopt the frequency band management regulations in different countries and region, whether in fully open frequency bands or partially open frequency bands. Qorvo can provide users with a stable and efficient Wi-Fi connection experience with its outstanding technical strength, right? So, in terms of the Wi-Fi architecture, right? Let's see from the Wi-Fi architecture perspective as well. So, Qorvo has demonstrated a leading advantage in Wi-Fi 6 and early versions due to the frequency band limitations. Implementing a three-band router after required splitting 5G frequency bands into two sub-bands. However, with the arrival of Wi-Fi 7 and the opening up of the 6 gigahertz frequency band, Qorvo can achieve a true three-band design with 2.4G, 5G, and 6G, each occupying one frequency band. This design not only improves the performance of the router, but also greatly simplifies the design complexity of the router. Of course, this also brings cost challenges, and as adding additional frequency band means adding a set of devices from the transmitter to the FEM to the filter to the antenna. But Qorvo, with its strong research and development capabilities and cost control capabilities, has successfully turned this challenge into an opportunity and providing users with a cost-effective Wi-Fi 7 solutions. Right? They even work up to the 6G now. All right. So this is all about the difference between them. So yeah, as you can see, the advantage of Wi-Fi 7. What are the advantages of this Wi-Fi 7 field? Right. So Qorvo has also made a significant progress in the modulation technology of Wi-Fi 7. The increase in modulation order from the 1024 QAM in Wi-Fi 6 to 4096 QAM in Wi-Fi 7, which allows for the transmission of more data in the same space. However, this also brings new problems, namely that higher modulation in orders mean lower fault tolerance and higher requirements of EVM. But Qorvo, with its outstanding technical strength, successfully overcame this challenge and provided users with a high speed and a stable Wi-Fi 7 connection experience. Right? The advantage of Qorvo in the Wi-Fi 7 field are mainly reflected in a frequency band expansion, Wi-Fi architecture design, and modulation technology. These advantages not only make Qorvo stand out its fierce market competition, but also bring users a more convenient, efficient, and a stable Wi-Fi connection experiences. So this is the quad core chip. This is the chip, as you can see in the photo. Design compact Wi-Fi 7 and 6 smart home and IoT products, power efficient integrated FEM module, right? So what are the specifications? As you can see, is 30% more Wi-Fi range now. All right. So it is a superior power efficiency compared to the previous ones. 1.4 watt saving in 4-stream rotor. These are the benefits. These are the I would say the advantages as compared to the previous model Wi-Fi 5, 4, 3 to 1, blah blah blah. And this Wi-Fi 6 and 7 have these benefits, right? This is the difference of them. Yeah. So Qorvo is leading BMS. What is BMS? BMS is the battery management system, right? So innovation. What is the innovation in this one? So it is high integration derived battery management. This is their new improvement, all right? Or you can say the new achievement of this Qorvo company. So Qorvo design in BMS battery management system stems from a keen insight into market trends. As traditional AC motors and fuel engines are gradually replaced by more advanced motor systems such as BLDC, brushless DC motor, and PMSM, permanent magnet synchronous motor. All right, battery powered solutions has become mainstream. All right, so I think the engineers or even the new students or the students who are studying, they know about the brushless DC motor and the PMSM permanent motor. So as a traditional AC motors, you can also know about the AC motors and the fuel engines gradually replaced by more advanced motors. So these are the more advanced one. For example, PLDC, brushless DC motors, and the PMSM, permanent magnet synchronous motor. Synchronous means the motor which rotate continuously, right? This is the synchronous. This is the meaning of synchronous. Synchronous motor. That means it is rotating 24/7, like constant rotating whenever you turn it on. So these two motors, especially the PMSM, it is used in the electric cars, right? And for example, Tesla is using this motor, PMSM, latest motor in their vehicles, in their cars. And for the BLDC is a kind of small motor which is used in the elevators, in the ATMs, and etc. Yeah, so this was the short introduction of these motors. If you want to know about more in detail, you can search Google, or you can also ask in the comment section as well. I will give you a detail on it. So battery powered solutions have become the mainstream. The transformation not only occurs in the industrial sector, but also extend to consumer electronics products in our daily lives, such as hair dryers and vacuum cleaners. This is the one. The hair dryer, vacuum cleaners, the motor PLDC is used in this too, in this hair dryer and the vacuum cleaners. The motor which is used is the BLDC, brushless motor. All right. So yeah, as you can see, Qorvo saw the huge market potential of PMS products and began correspondingly product design and research development in the R&D. So yeah, this is the short introduction of these motors, like the BLDC and synchronous. Synchronous mean the continuous moving of the motors, right? So in the design of PMS products, right, Qorvo has fully utilized its technological accumulation in the field of motor drive. So Qorvo's motor drive products have gradually evolved from the initial 5 to 24 volt low voltage products to 60 volt, 90 volt, and even higher voltage platforms, providing a solid foundation for the design of these PMS products, right? In addition to high voltage and withstand the voltage design, Qorvo BMS products has also focused on achieving high integration in the development process of the motor drive products. Qorvo has already begun to attempt to integrate ARM, M0 core MCU to improve product integration and performance. With the changing market demand, Qorvo has upgraded its ARM, which is M0 core product, to M4 core to meet customers' higher requirements for computing powers. So in the design of the BMS products, Qorvo also continues this high integration design concepts, making BMS products not only powerful in functions, but also compact in the size, making it easy to integrate in various devices. So as you can see, this is the chip available here. You can also say the microchip or PLC chip. You can call anything of this chip, right? So this is the complete hardware solution for the evaluation and the BMS development, right? So it is include the application examples like the battery management algorithms, software tools, etc. So this is, I think, the electrical engineers or the mechatronics engineers, they better know about this well, right? So as you can see here, the sensors of this product, like this company, which was not in the technology of these automobiles or automotives, but later on they work on this. They are focusing on it because this is the new era and everybody is working on them, right? So what are the performance advantages, right? So the Qorvo sensor new product debut is the high precision and lower power sensor fusion leads a new wave of human computer interaction like AI. They have built a AI. As you can see in the, for example, the Chinese, they focus. If you see the Chinese cars, in their car, the interior and everything, most of their part is working on the AI, artificial intelligence, right? So when you see the mapping, when you talk with the car, they will. It's like Siri or Hey Google, Hey Siri, something like that. So they are really doing great. Also, Americans, Germans, they are really doing the. I would say the Japanese, they are doing on the automobiles really good. Yeah. So the high performance advantages as well. So the Qorvo's sensor fusion product stands out in the field of human computer interaction with the outstanding performance. This product uses advanced MEMS technology to manufacture sensor chips, right? So as you can see here, which can efficiently convert force signal into electrical signals. At the same time, it combines ASIC chips in CMOS technology to accurately process along voltage signals, including the signal amplification, analog to digital conversion, and internal integration algorithms, provide users with accurate quantitative force signal values. Among them, the sensitivity performance of the product is particularly outstanding, with a sensitivity of over 100 units of the gauge factor, leading the industry. Yeah, so the high sensitivity ensures the sensors can capture subtle, subtle changes in force, providing more accurate data support for human-computer interaction. So number two, as you can see, the compact size and low power consumption, right? Another significant advantage of Qorvo sensor product is their compact size and low power consumption characteristics. So the compact size of the product makes it easy to apply to products with limited space, such as wearable devices and mobile phones. Meanwhile, its lower power design allows the sensor to consume up to 1 microampere at its lowest operating state, especially suitable for battery-powered products, effectively extending the device lifespans. This is really good. They are doing this. R&D is really doing great. Yeah. So wide applicable and friendly input, right? So in terms of the human and computer interaction, Qorvo sensor products have significant advances compared to traditional technologies. It can adapt to various surface materials, including the plastic, glass, metal, wood, gently expanding the application range, all right, slowly, but also adapting to different situations, such as wearing gloves, providing users with a more convenient interaction experiences, etc. And the other part is the adapt to various environment. It is very environment friendly, right? So the Qorvo sensors can perform well under various environment conditions, whether it is high or low temperature, humidity, pollution, blah blah blah, or even under the water, right? Sensors can work stably, providing users with a reliable interactive experience compared to the traditional mechanical buttons and capacitive touch technology. Qorvo sensors can perform better in the waterproof and harsh environments. So yeah, as an interdisciplinary products, Qorvo sensors combine the knowledge from the two major fields. Number one is the electronics, number two is the structure, right? So the company provides a recommended structure stacking method and armed at effectively transmitting the user's slight control power to the chip and qualifying its output to the MCU upward computing processing. In addition, Qorvo also provide professional technical support, and which include the mechanical simulation, customers achieving effects, force transmission, efficient development, blah blah blah. Right? Yeah. So here you go. Yeah. So the other specification of them is the software support and its rich functionality, sensors fusion. So yeah, in terms of the service or the software, this company provides customers with a rich functional support. Through pressure sensors, consumers can achieve a various human-computer interaction functions such as buttons, slides, etc. to adjust parameters such as volume and brightness. In addition, the sensor also support the recognition of the two-dimensional and three-dimensional positional information, providing users with a richer interaction experience, right? So in terms of the system interaction, if we talk about the sensor of the system integration, Qorvo provide comprehensive support services. The company not only provide seeking references designs but also assist customers in mechanical simulation and structural design optimization of the system, ensuring that the sensors can perform optimally in a practical application. These support services help shorten the customer's development cycle and reduce development cost. So this sensor demonstrate a very strong competitiveness in the field of human and computer interaction due to their advantages such as high performance, compact size, low power consumption, wide applicable friendly input, adaptability to various environments, interdisciplinary design, rich product series and integration, software support and rich functionality, and function integration support. In the future, with the continuous advancement of technology and the expansion of application scenarios, the Qorvo will continue to bring more innovative products and solutions to the users. This is the benefits of them. Yeah. So future expectations. So what we can expect in the future from this company, this technology, right? Yeah. So as you can see from the future perspective, the growth of the telecommunication industry to support AI and 5G applications, telecommunications companies are expected to continuously upgrade their networks, and Qorvo will also face significant development opportunities. Its RF solution is crucial for improving the connection performance and stability of modern network. All right. So the integration of the automobile and AI. The increasing integration of AI in automotive technologies such as autonomous driving and advanced driving assistance systems has further driven the demand of Qorvo solutions. The company's product can enhance the reliability and efficiency of an AI-driven autonomous systems, right? So the application to the field of the defense and aerospace. So the Qorvo's high-performance RF products play an important role in the AI application in the defense and the aerospace, ensuring communication, security, and efficiency. The company's solutions are widely used in advanced radar, satellite communication, and electronic warfare systems. So it is also beneficial for the military purpose. So let's talk about their technical and financial analysis as well. Yeah. The QRVO Qorvo income statement is available here. You can see their total revenue, their gross profit, their operational income, and their net income. Everything is mentioned very clearly, right? So as you can see, let's talk about their financial data, their financial performance. They had provided the income statement. So as you can see, FY2Q4 revenue and gross profit margin increased, and the proportion of revenue from the FY24's largest customers also increased as well. So the revenue was 941 million US dollars, year-on-year increase of more than 49%, per month-on-month increase of minus 12%, mainly due to the growth in all three major businesses, including ACG customer platform content, sport, HPA defense business performing better than expected, and CGS business driven decrease of 34%. Diluted earnings per share of $1.39. The gross profit margin was 42.5%, with a month-on-month increase of 1.3 pieces, generating operating cash flow, which is $202 million and capital expenditure of 33 million US dollars. So the annual revenue was 3.8 billion US dollars with a gross profit margin of 44.5% and earnings per share of 6.21 US dollars. There are two customers with a total annual revenue proportion of over 10%, and the revenue from the largest customer accounts for 46% of the total revenue, which is higher than 37% in the FY23. The second largest customer's revenue accounted for 12% of the total, right? Maintaining stability year on year. So this is their financial performance as well. So if we talk about the summary, let's try to wind up and elaborate this one as well. Number one, we talked about Qorvo has significantly advantages in the Wi-Fi 7 field, especially in the face of frequency, band expansion, and technological innovation, demonstrating a unique leading position, right? So Qorvo leading BMS battery management system, innovation, high integration drive battery management. We also talk about that one. So the Qorvo sensors new revealed that they are very high precision, low power sensor fusion leads a new wave of the human and computer interaction in the future. There will be growth potential in the telecommunication industry, including the integration of automobiles and AI, right? So as well as the integration of automobiles and AI. And then we talked about their financial performance as well. The financial data is good with a full year revenue of 3.8 billion US dollars. The gross profit margin was 44.5% and the earning per share was 6.21 US dollars in the FY24. What is FY24? FY is the fiscal year, right? So this is the fiscal year 2024. Fiscal year means the half year. For example, today is the 4th June of 2024. That means it's a fiscal year already passed. Half of the year is called fiscal, right? So number 6 we talked about is considering Qorvo position in the AI related field and low valuation. The company also has certain attractiveness, right? So yeah, so it is all about we talked about today in detail. So we talked about the chip they are working in the AI in the automobiles. They will be leading in the company in the industry as well. Yeah. So they talked about the Wi-Fi 7, the new technology to the 6G, right? And their financial performance, we talked about their financial, how strong they are as well, and the Wi-Fi 7 field, and then the battery management system, and then their specifications of this sensor, which is very high in precision and fusion lead, blah blah blah, and the human interaction AI. Also, we talked about that one as well, and their AI related field and their low valuation etc, and the company have the attractiveness. Most of the shareholders, they are coming to them because of their new plans and new ideas which will lead them in the stock market industry. Yeah, so this is all about we have talked about today, and furthermore you can see in the description the detail of this, a short detail is available, is given of this topic, right? And the QR code of the customer support team also available in my previous videos. Also on my channel, you can go to the playlist, you can find the streaming part, and you can find the short videos. Also you can find the reels, which is in Hindi as well, right? This is all about we talked about today, and the WhatsApp is given. The link is also available in the description. If you have any question, you can contact our customer support team through this WhatsApp, and they will help you out regarding to anything you want to know about how the stock market work, which where I should invest, where I should not invest. You can take all the suggestions from us, from our team, from our expertise, from our professionals, and to implement is all up to you. We will only give you the suggestions, and the suggestion we give you based on the experience we have. All right. So the suggestion, if you want to implement, that is 100% will be up to you, right? And also, if you want to learn some basics like the parameters, the candlestick charts, how they usually work, everything, you can also know about that, right? So yeah, this is all about today, and thank you so much for watching. Please do like the video, comment the video, and share the video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.